Hi guys, hi my black slope masters, best skiers of the world. I am very upset today. Yesterday I was skiing on the ski slope Visegrad here in Hungary, but now it's over. The game is over. No snow. The weather is so warm. It is no winter, but it is spring. Yes, but each ending is a beginning of something. Skiing is over, but canoeing is coming. I am planning within 2 or 3 days start with the training on the water with this nice canoe. It is a canoe Nelo, manufactured by Nelo. It is a very good canoe. I will take part on competition on the Hungarian Championships for 10,000 meters in May. So I must make some training, and I will show you how is it possible to make a good training at home. Do you see this part? This is a hill. So I will run uphill and then make some gymnastics. So I will show you now. So I will start. Ready, set, go. Thirty meters running. I feel the heart is a little bit jumping, and now I will make some push-ups 20 times. Sorry. I take the camera and let's go. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20. Whew. Not too easy. And now walking down, and after that running again. Ready, set, go. Centimeters. Canoeing, skiing is over. And now 20 times push up. push-ups, 20 push-ups. It was hard. Therefore, I must make stretchings, some stretching. Not too easy. After skiing, only the legs were working. Some stretching. I have had a very good trainer in canoeing, Mr. Antal Haiba. He told me that stretching is very important before any gymnastics or any sport activities. So let's go. And he told that it should be all movements should be done at least 50 times. At least 50 times, or it is nothing. So I was sitting by the computer today, and therefore I must make a good stretching all my parts of my body. So let's make some other gymnastics. "50 times. As my former trainer, Mr. Antal Haiba, told me, there was a very good man, not only a good trainer, but he could speak 3 languages: German, Russian and English. Unbelievable. And became a world champion. So, my friends, let's continue our training. Ready, set, go. So, my friends, I will repeat this gymnastics, running 17 more times. So I wouldn't like to be too boring for you. Therefore, I wish you all the best. Go to ski if you have possibilities, if you have a good winter, I wish you all the best, but I don't say goodbye.